I'll send the link. Let's go for it. The letters A to F in the table below represents 6 organic compounds. Write down the letters that represents the following. So there may be more than one here. A ketone. Ketone, anyone?
F.
The reason why F is a ketone because you got your carbonyl group sitting over here. Two compounds that are functional isomers.
B and F.
Right, I'm going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is pentan-2-one, which is a ketone. That's pentanal, which is an aldehyde. Aldehydes and ketones are functional isomers. So it's B and F. Which one is a hydrocarbon? That means it only has hydrogen and carbon in its structure.
C.
Correct. What type of hydrocarbon is that?
Alkane.
Correct. CnH2n plus 2. For compound D, write down the homologous series to which it belongs. What's the homologous series of D?
Haloalkane.
Haloalkane. Somebody else, please assist as well. The IUPAC name of D. Please be careful. By the way, I've set your first 15 marks of your test. It looks good. Right, will I start my naming from the top or from the bottom here?
From the top.
Correct, because my first side chain on the top is in position 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 2 carbons sitting here. That's a CH2 there. They condensed the condensed formula there. Be careful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, anyone wants to give the name now?
3,4 dibromo.
Can't be 3,4.
3,5 dibromo octane.
3,5 dibromo octane. Dibromo octane is one word. It's not hyphenated either. Compound F. There we go. Compound F. Write down the IUPAC name of a positional isomer of compound F. Just to recap what a positional isomer is. A positional isomer is where you have the same molecular formula, same functional group, different position of the functional group. At the moment here, it's on position 2. You're going to still create a ketone, but you need to change the position of it. What's the name of the positional isomer of pentan 2-ol? Don't scream it out, please. Let somebody else who I didn't hear your voice give me the answer.
Pentan 3-ol.
Correct. You take the bond from here, and the only other position you can put it in is in the middle. You can't put it at the beginning because it changes it from a ketone to an aldehyde. It must still be a ketone if you have a positional isomer. So it goes from position 2 to position 3. Pentan 3-ol. Now you want to create a chain isomer for this. Let me recap how we do this. We keep the position the same now. We don't move it out of position 2, but we drop the main chain by 1. So that last carbon there becomes a side chain. Give me the name. That's quite easy, by the way.
Methyl butane 2-ol.
That's one of the worst answers. So unfortunately, it's not even an alcohol. It has to be a ketone still. And you said 2-methyl butane 2-ol. Let me explain why you cannot put this into position 2 if you got the carbonyl group there.
No,
If
sir.
you move,
3-methyl butane 2-ol.
oh, sorry, my mistake. 100% correct, sir. You can't put it in position 2 because if you try to put it in position 2, you're going to violate the 4-bond rule. You're going to have 5 bonds there. So the only position you could put it as a side chain is there. You move that carbon from its current position into that position there. So it will be 3-methyl butane 2-ol. Okay, don't worry about this. It's a reaction as well. We did 19 in class. Did we do 18? I don't remember doing 18. Right. Definition of unsaturated. Unsaturated is where you have double or triple bonds between carbon atoms. An unsaturated compound has double or triple bonds between carbon atoms. Write down the letter that represents an unsaturated hydrocarbon. Do not scream it out. Somebody new, please.
B.
Very good. B. Sorry, what you said? B.
B.
Yeah, I'm gonna accept B. I'm gonna accept B. There's a double bond there. What's the other possibility?
A.
No, it has to be a hydrocarbon. There's an oxygen there. That's not a hydrocarbon.
E.
E. That's an alkene as well. Name of the functional group of C.
Carbonyl.
Very good. This is a nice way to remember. It's carbonyl. I'm just going to take the pronunciation that this other guy gave or answer the question. He said carbonyl. You can't forget that now, isn't it?
That's crazy.
Exactly. Carbonyl. COC. Don't make memes of all of this, huh? You guys will go back and you've got another kind of Instagram or TikTok page there. You're going to make all funny things of all these lessons one day. Name the functional group of compound C, carbonyl. Letter that represents a chain isomer of C. So they don't want anything about C itself. There is another compound lurking over here that is a chain isomer of compound C. If it's a chain isomer of C, which means there's another ketone here, and that ketone's got a side chain on it, this one doesn't. The name of this ketone, by the way, I had to work it out quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is pentan 2-one. You already know which one's the chain isomer of pentan 2-one now, isn't it? Which one is it, guys?
F.
Not D, but F.
F.
Butane 2-one with a methyl side chain on it will still have 5 carbons, isn't it? There's 4 carbons there plus 1, giving you your 5 carbons. There's 5 carbons here. They have to be chain isomers. Both of them are ketones. Both of them have 5 carbons. One doesn't have a side chain. Pentan 2-one, no side chains. 2-methyl butane 2-one, one side chain. So they are chain isomers. The letter that represents a chain isomer of compound C is F. The IUPAC name of G. Oh, that's a giveaway. You can't get it any easier than that. Oh, oh no, you can. This one's a bit tricky. Let's see who gives the correct answer. IUPAC name of G. No one.
2,5
That's not
dichloro, 3-methyl hexane.
very, very good. You want to tell the rest of the crew why you started from this side? You got a chloro on the second carbon, You got a methyl on the third carbon, and then you got the last one over here, which is 5. You got 2, 3, 5 from this side. From this side, you still got 2, but you got 5, 6. 2, 5, 6 is higher than 2, 3, 5. So you have to start off from the side where you got the lowest combination of numbers.
So the second
So the name
combination
of this,
was 2, 5.
sorry,
The second combination, the lowest was 2, 4, 5.
yeah, sorry, 2, 4, 5. You're right. This is 2, 3, 5. So 2, 3, 5 is lower than 2, 4, 5. That's why we took the top one. So the name of this, as somebody rightly pointed out, 2,5 dichloro 3 methyl hexane, is it? Yeah. The general formula of the homologous series to which E belongs. What's the general formula of the homologous series of this compound? Here you either know your stuff or you don't know it, eh? They want the general formula of that compound.
For E, sir.
Yes, no, for E, sorry. Hey, what am I doing? Falling off to sleep here, guys, sorry. E. They made it so easy, man. What's the general formula for E? Oh, Baba. Nobody can get that one wrong. CnH2n, huh? Let's go back to my question. What's the general formula for that compound? In other words, an aldehyde. General formula for an aldehyde, anyone?
So is it CnH2nO?
Very good. That's CnH2nO. For compound A. Okay, there's compound A there. By the way, what is compound A? What's the name of this compound? C double bond O, single bond O, and a hydrogen.
Carboxyl acid, sir.
So what's the name of this carboxylic acid? There's only 2 carbons in it. Come on, guys.
Ethanoic acid.
Correct. That's ethanoic acid. They're going to ask us something about ethanoic acid. I'm guessing I saw something about isomers there. The only thing they could ask us about ethanoic acid, which is a carboxylic acid and isomers, is its functional isomer. They did. For compound A, write down the name of the homologous series to which it belongs. As somebody rightly pointed out, it's a carboxylic acid. They want the structural formula. They don't want the name. They want the structural formula of its functional isomer. Firstly, which is the functional isomer of a carboxylic acid?
Ester.
An ester. You got a 2-carbon ester. There's only one name you can come up with for a 2-carbon ester. What's the name of a 2-carbon ester, anyone?
Is it methyl methanoate?
Very, very good, sir. You have to give 1 carbon to each group. 1 carbon has to go to the alkyl section. One carbon has to go to the alkanoate section. They have to take one each because you only got two. So you're going to draw methyl methanoate. Let's go through this together. You start off with the functional group of the ester. C double bond O, single bond O, and a carbon. You split your compound down along the single bonded oxygen. There's your alkyl section. It must have one carbon. It already has one carbon. There's your alkanoate section. It must also have one carbon. It already has one carbon. So you fill in your hydrogens. One, two, three. This has already got 3 bonds on it. You can only take one more. You can double check. This is C2, H4, O2. And this here is also C2, H4, O2. Same molecular formula, different structures with different functional groups. Gentlemen, I think we have done these tables to death, but don't worry. I have some fresh original questions for you guys that I've thought up. They will make you think on Friday. You will not find them anywhere. I made them up. But if you know your work, you'll be fine. You'll get an A. Let's see who's going to get that 100%, eh? Tomorrow, I'm going to spend some time on the organic properties, going over maybe 1 or 2 questions to show you how we answer them. And then that's it. We are done and dusted. We are ready for the test on Friday. Thanks for attending, everyone. I will put this up for you guys. See you in class tomorrow. I think one of the classes, I don't see them tomorrow. Which one is it?
The lower set, sir.
Okay. All right, guys. Okay, so I don't think I'm going to put organic properties in because I'm not going to see my lower set. So it'll only be on these tables. Don't go. Wait, guys. Wait, guys. I need to do something. I need to take a picture of Mr. Roy needs to see some evidence that we're having these classes. Thank you.
Right.
All right, guys.
Thank you, sir. You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Yo, guys.
Oh, hi. Ah,
Why y'all still here?
why are you still here?
You answer my question. I asked first, bro.
Amazing.
Hey, yo.
Actually, can you see me?
You look at the
Bro, why is Jailson sending me a message saying stop tweaking, bro?
Hey, hey, I
Hey,
can't see.
Jailson.
Where am I? Hey, hey, I.
You still got a plastic on your bed, child.
What?
You still got a plastic on his bed, child.
That's not a plastic on my bed. That's, look at this.
Hey, cap.
It's a blazer, bro.
joint. No, not you. I'm talking about. I'm talking about
Hey,
It's
gents,
okay.
let's carry on the lesson.
water. Water.
Okay,
Hey,
guys.
hey, it's chai.
Ladies
It's
and
looking chai.
gentlemen.
Hey, not you, bruh.
How's
Someone
it
that knows,
looking?
someone that knows the work.
I know the work, Jay.
Hey, it's looking very chai, bro.
How
All
is
those
it Chinese?
questions, all
This
those
is
questions
actually
are
easy,
getting
bro.
wrong.
The test
Too much,
will actually be easy.
too much information.
It's not, I don't think we got to the hard part yet.
No, oh, yeah, oh, we did.
Hi, I'm dipping, bro. I'm wasting. This is a waste of time.
Alright. Thank you. Danielson, talk.
Why is Danielson still here?
Why is he not talking?
Say, why
Why
can't
is
you
still
guys just in your own shit over here?
What?
Why is he sending me?
I don't
He's
use it
sending me a
anymore.
message saying get out.
Wait. Who's talking?
Me, bro.
Me,
No, besides you. Please
I don't know.
identify yourself.
me,
Name.
Raina.
Oh, it's Rainer.
Guys, I'm bye. I'm gone. This is a waste of time.
Nah,
Yeah.
Hey, who's Meow, bro?
bruh.
You.
You say who you?
Who you?
Talking about this oh meow. Hey, shuts up, son. Shuts up.
Who you talking to? Why is Danielson still here, bro? Danielson. Danielson.